really, really close. It may not look extremely close in the video, but you are in the second fastest sector of the track and you're coming off a blind turn and you've got your throttle pinned. The last thing you want to see is a dog running towards you, trying to cross the track. I mean, that is extremely crazy, and it hasn't happened to me before. I've done almost 20 track days so far in last 2 years, and this does not happen. It's unheard of. I mean, you see it on Formula One sometimes. There are animals or people on the street. Again, it's not a very common thing that does happen, and this was definitely the first time. The best course of action in this is to just maintain your course. Try not to avoid the object and try to slow down as quickly as possible. And once you get close enough to in my case, a dog, you can then probably have slowed down tremendously to make a maneuver that you would avoid the oncoming object. But again, that's not what track days are all about. You know, track days are supposed to be safe, supposed to be a lot of fun, supposed to be a place where you can just go and leave it all out on the track, so you don't have to do these stupid dumb things on street, which I'm sure you guys have seen some videos around. So I'm not going to get into that, but I do definitely want to give you a sneak peek into what track days are really about. And if you ever get a chance, you know, I would say, you know, you should do it. Whether it's your motorcycle, whether it is your car, whether it is a go-kart, go try a go-kart. You know, it's a similar experience, or a mini bike as well. So try a track experience. I guarantee you, you know, it's definitely going to put a big smile to your face by the end of the day. And saying that, I'm going to show you a quick sneak peek into what track days are all about.
Check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much.